Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today I've been messing with these Photon Lab Element lights. I was trying to get them to connect to an old phone, but was having no luck. Then I was comparing the new power supply, which came in with a batch that I just got, which is DC 12 volts, 8 amps, and the old power supply, which was a 24 volt, 6 amp power supply. I've popped open one of the panels. As you can see, normally they're all nice and sealed. They use an epoxy resin on each of the corners, which if you're very careful and, oh, that was loud, and use the right implements, you can gently pry that apart, leaving you with this. We disconnect that. You can see all of the near hemispherical diffuser lenses on each of the LED chips, our input, there we go, some test pinning, and if we can focus and zoom on in here, you can see the majority of the components here on the back. Then there is a resistor for each of the LEDs and the female plugs for the other panels. Now, when I had this plugged in, we had, how do I describe this? This was our power wire. Let's use this. So this second one was power. It was feeding 12 volts to this pin and 11 volts to this pin, and just some millivolts going through here. Checking amperage, this one was very low in the tens of milliamps, and this one was cycling up and down with the brightness of the board. But that's about as far as I've gotten. I've spent way too much time delving into this, and I'm not as smart as a lot of the other guys who are already working on this. So I'm going to post a few pictures and I'll keep messing with it, but it's not going to be entertaining enough for a video. I apologize. Stay tuned for our 100th video, which is coming up soon. Until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.